Preferred field lined up. Ready for liftoff. Often pacing, Evening of Pleasure punching out quickest. Evening of Pleasure with wicked gate speed marches to the front. Second away came Nirvana Sealster, dropped over third as Ultimate Beach Boy. Ellis Park grabs a 4-hold, 2 lengths back to Bilbo Hanover and the early trailer Atomic Million AM as they circle into the first turn. And on that lead, it's Evening of Pleasure. Nirvana Sealster enjoys a 2-hole trip. Back to third is Ultimate Beach Boy. Ellis Park the fourth, 1/4, 26 and 3. 2 more to Bilbo Hanover and trailing Atomic Million AM. So they move across the tunnel, head to the backstretch. Evening of Pleasure pretty full of himself out there, loose in the lead by 2.5 lengths. He takes them up towards 3/8. Nirvana Sealster from in second, a gap of 2 to Ultimate Beach Boy. Ellis Park the fourth one, Bilbo Hanover from in fifth, and still last Atomic Million AM single file as they continue to the half. No pressure on Philion as he gets respect here. Evening of Pleasure clicks off first half speed. He's there, 55 4/5. Tracking second, Nirvana Sealster. Ultimate Beach Boy stayed put third. Ellis Park with the first over grind on his hands. He's fourth and on the move now for Waples. Up into third, soon to be second, but he's still a good 2.5 lengths away from tempo setter Evening of Pleasure. Evening of Pleasure leading them up towards the 3/4 marker. His lead 2 lengths. Ellis Park is second. Gapping a pocket is Nirvana Sealster. Bilbo Hanover tips out late from third. Then back fourth inside to Nirvana Sealster. Ultimate Beach Boys in a bad spot again from in fifth and sweeping up wide from in sixth. Atomic Million AM 3/4 in 123 and 3. And they come into the stretch. Evening of Pleasure, Philion cuts him loose. Ellis Park now trying to track him down. He's got 1/8 of a mile to do it. Still there's Evening of Pleasure. Ellis Park on the outside is blasting up late for Waples. Evening of Pleasure and Ellis Park. It's going to be tight. Evening of Pleasure and Ellis Park. Evening of Pleasure holds on. Evening of Pleasure over Ellis Park. It might have been Atomic Million AM from last to third in 150 and 4.